Introducing the all-new redesigned Pursuit 2 full-size scooter with a 400-pound weight capacity and a 9-mile-per-hour performance that is sure to meet all expectations. When your Pursuit 2 arrives, it will be contained in 2 boxes. One will contain the seat, and one will contain the unit. The all-new packaging design is EPS-free and recyclable. Start by cutting the bands and removing the lid. Remove the box that contains the lithium battery, but note there is 1 battery per box, so if the additional battery is purchased, there will be 2 boxes located in the rear of the box. Remove the rest of the corrugated packaging and plastic protection around the scooter and its components. To start, you will receive 2 sets of battery cables. If you only have 1 battery, mount the cables on the terminals, orienting the cables to the rear of the scooter. The other set of cables will be for the second battery. If you did not purchase the second battery, please retain these for later use, or if you do have the optional second battery, please install now. For the single battery, set the battery on either side and plug into the corresponding port. The battery will ship in a sleep mode and will need to be woken up by the method explained on the battery insert. Plug the charger into the XLR port on the tiller, and then plug into an AC outlet. If a second battery is purchased, follow the same steps to connect. In the packaging with the battery, you will find 2 data cables. You will need the cable with the 2 complete ends, and you can discard the other. On the batteries themselves, you will find 2 data ports numbered 5 and 4. The data cables will have a similar pin setup. Connect the 5 ports on one battery and the 4 ports on the other. This will ensure proper communication between the BMS system of the batteries. Do note, if a second battery is purchased at a later time, the same steps will apply. The first battery will have enough voltage to wake up the second battery, fully charged before the first use. In addition, there is an added safety feature to the attached battery cables. You will find 2 straps alongside the battery cables in the packaging. Start by removing the red T-handle with a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Then slide the D-ring over the T-handle and reattach. Then feed the straps through the dedicated hole cutouts in the battery shroud. This will allow the consumer to disconnect the power from the unit in case of an emergency. Now remove the seat and arms from the packaging. Place the seat onto the seat post and lock it into place. Slide the lower armrest assembly into the receiver, secure with a detent pin, and then tighten at the desired width. Next, attach the armrest to the desired height and tighten. Repeat on the other side. Finish by attaching the headrest to the seat. Attach the front basket to the tiller, and the 2 mirrors to the dedicated accessory holes on the tiller handle. Remove the transit spacer from the emergency brake assist handle, and lastly, place the key into the unit to power up to make sure the unit functions. Now your setup is complete. The all-new Pursuit 2 full-size scooter comes in 3 colors: black, gray, and orange. It has a water-resistant console, including a key switch cover. It has a performance and eco drive switch that allows the user to choose between 2 different drive functions. It comes standard with full front and rear light package, a 50 amp-hour lithium battery, with the option to purchase a second for up to an impressive 40 miles of range. 4 seat sizes that range from 16 to 22 inches wide, with memory foam on the seat and back, and waterproof stitching. The seat also has a full rotation and slider system for your comfort. The Pursuit 2 has full front and rear suspension with 13-inch pneumatic tires for a smoother ride.